Oh man, it's been a while. Going to Cafe Paradiso. Yeah, man. Hey. That's pretty cool. Overland sheepskin. Man, I remember coming out here years ago. Overland sheepskin.
Walmart or Hy-Vee.
He tends to go to all the stores, so not the restaurant. Okay. Yeah.
All right.
What's happening Wednesday? Your curfew?
Yeah. Overland sheepskin. This was Bovard Studios, which is another major company that's here in Des Moines. Also employs a lot of people.
In Fairfield.
In Fairfield. Sorry, my apologies. We are still in Iowa, but we're in Fairfield. Yeah. Fairfield. How you doing, buddy? Everything good? Now we just stopped to get some lunch at La Cocina de Martina Mexican food over at the True Value spot. Our good buddy from yesterday is hanging out here with us. He lives inside of that store over there. What is this, hibiscus water?
Yep.
How's it taste?
Pretty good.
Oh, I remember I used to wash my car over there. Well, we used to buy and sell cars, and we'd always wash them over at that spot right there.
Tony's Turbo Car Wash?
It was Fessler's car wash or something.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it was something before. Yes, please. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What we got?
That.
Cilantro steak tacos.
Oh yeah. Good, man.
Get a mouth nice.
Mmm. Okay.
All right. Looks good. Tony likes it. My turn. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Woo! It's not one. We're going out here to Vedic City. Vedic City is a little enclave outside of Fairfield. Oh, that's right. All right, so I'm bringing you guys to this UFO place where UFOs are gonna land when they come to Iowa. Right? You brought me
Definitely.
to the yeah.
Definitely.
You guys ready to see some UFO landing sites? It's a pretty big deal out here in Iowa. Yeah.
Coming over the curve.
Yep. I brought my niece here one time from Trinidad and she rode a bike around here. Antara Mango, if she's seen this video. Alright, let's go in and take a quick cursory glance view. I'll show everybody the UFO landing site. What? The Vedic Observatory. Looks like the gate's closed. Fairfield, Iowa. Dun, dun. We got a little mini Stonehenge over here. What does it say here? Ram Yantra. Here it is. It's where the mothership lands. It's called the RK Veda. So I guess the mothership lands in this part here. I'm totally just making stuff up, guys. You guys, I hope you know I'm just kidding, right? It's actually it's called a Vedic Observatory, and it's got the astrological signs in between. I don't know if you could see. You see in there all the astrological layout, and it's in the Sanskrit version of it. Rohini, Kritika, Barani. I hope I'm saying these names right. Y'all can correct me. Oh. Am I saying that right? Ashwini, Revati, Uttar Rabhadrapada, Purvabrapada, Shatabishva, Danishta, Shravan. You guys correct me if I'm saying this wrong. I don't think I'm supposed to be in here, right?
I don't know.
We'll find out.
If not, that's a good reason to be in there.
True. It's a perfect landing site for a UFO. I never quite ever actually got a good explanation of why. I don't know if you could hear that echo, but there's an echo with me standing in here. Of why this was built, but I think it's supposed to be like a calendar of some sort. It's a calendar of some sort, right?
Definitely. It's definitely measuring time and yugas and distance and season.
Okay.
They'll calculate all kinds of stuff. I mean, definitely for astrological and astronomical observation. Let's see if we can get this back on. Nope, maybe.
And that's it. We came out here to do this repair, and we're all
Right.
good.
I'll just send you the
Yeah.
bill.
The astrological bill
Yep.
of time and space. Looks like maintenance got. They stopped maintenance for a while, yeah.
Wouldn't necessarily be a bad place to shelter if you had to.
Yeah. Thought about it.
Little bonfire in there, you'd be good.
Yeah.
Good to go. A little bed in there.
Those are that's construction you see out there, guys. You see that little thing in the center at the top of the roof. What's that called again, Tony? The Brahmastan? Kalash. So you'll find here in Fairfield a lot of these homes that are out in Vedic City or on the outskirts, and even somewhere near the Maharishi University, you'll see some of this construction with that thing here. They call it the Stapatya Veda construction. So, interesting little town, Fairfield. Interesting little town. A lot of our lives were lived here and spent here.
Let's say out of 50 years, I spent almost probably 25 here.
Wow.
53 years.
About 16 for me. No, I would say 12. 12 years of my life was here. And all of it being in trouble.
Nice.
I got in trouble for
Truly
everything.
If you're just getting along here,
Yeah.
something's wrong.
Right.
If you're not in trouble, then you're not really pushing the envelope.
That's right. You're not working towards enlightenment. Alright, I think we have acquired as much good juju vibes.
What's inside these things?
I don't know. I was
there
telling
any
my
numbers
viewers
in
that this is probably, yeah, it looks like a horoscope thing. Like a, what do you call that? All the
3,
different.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
If any of my viewers know what this is, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I think this is like a horoscope / Vedic version of a.
Oh yeah. See, there's Bud, Guru,
Yeah.
Shukra, Rahu,
Ketu.
Shani.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. This is a
Ayurvedic /
astrology.
jyotish thing.
Jyotish.
Yeah.
You gotta stand up to look at Okay, so these are the Mahadashas. So what this is the Mahadasha kind of thing, and then each one is a successive kind of layer out. So these must be the, I don't know, the moon cycles.
Okay.
These are going to be the solar cycles, then moon cycles. Maybe. It seems like
Okay.
that. Some of these are
And
bigger.
that's I'm
In
gonna guess
fact,
these are.
These are successively bigger. 1, 2,
Would you say they represent the different planets in the solar system?
8 planets.
Okay.
So it must be. I thought there was.
Which one's Earth?
There's 12 nodes though. Right in the Jyotish kind of
Yeah.
astrology. Yes or no?
I think so.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We'll let our viewers
5.
tell us. Somebody knows.
10. There's 10 on that. That's 8 plus Rahu and Ketu.
Right.
Those are moon, solar, or lunar nodes.
That's true. I did notice these circles are different sizes.
Yeah, they're getting progressively bigger.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
And there is the Peace Palace over there behind those trees, the big white building.
Go back there.
That's it, yeah.
Peace Palace.
Kim's dad built that.
Wow.
And then there's the mansion.
Okay.
It's where
Where the king lives.
Bevan was living there at one point.
All right.
Bevan Morris, president of the university.
All right. That's our little tour of Vedic City, or at least
And if the UFOs come down, this is where they're gonna land.
That's right. We're gonna land right here.
They're gonna be like, these. A friend of mine who's a psychic healer said he didn't know about this place, but as he was approaching town, he saw a huge pillar of light, and this is coming out of the ground. This is where it came from.
Wow.
He was like, "What is that?" And it was this.
Interesting. Man, every place has a folklore or a story that, and there's probably some truth to it, or a lot of truth to it. We don't know.
Yeah.
There's got to be a reason why this town was chosen for such a thing.
Yeah. Cheap.
Yeah.
Nobody else wanted it.
That's right. But with global warming and all, it might be beachfront property soon.
Yeah, I heard that before.
All right, on to the next one. Thanks, Tony.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, anyway, so that's it for me. Thanks for watching the episode. I had a very sporadic trip to Fairfield. I didn't get to have too much fun because we were here on business. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the episode. I went out to Vedic City. I'm hoping I can come back later and meet some more people and get you to actually see what it's like in the town. But this is where I lived almost, I would say 13 years of my life. When I first moved to the United States, my father brought us here because of the Maharishi University of Management. I'll try to show you a clip of that before I leave. So as I said, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.